Hello! This time I'm going to show you how to use Google AI Studio to turn your text into natural speech. Perfect for YouTube narration. With other AI tools, the voice generation feature often costs money or has time limits. But with Google AI Studio, you can create longer narration audio for free. Plus, you can easily change the type of voice and add emotional expression, which makes it perfect for YouTube narration. From here, I'll walk you through the 8 steps for using Google AI Studio to turn your text into natural speech. Step 1, go to Google AI Studio and log in with your Google account. Step 2, click Generate Media from the menu on the left. Step 3, select Gemini Speech Generation. Step 4, switch the mode to single speaker audio. Step 5, choose your voice. Zephyr is a female voice and Puck is a male voice. Once you get used to it, feel free to try other voices too. Step 6, paste your script into the text field and use the style instruction to set the emotion. Step 7, click Run to generate your audio. Step 8, click the verticulum at the bottom left to download your audio in WAV format. With these 8 steps, anyone can easily create multilingual narration. Give it a try for your own projects. Let's start with step 1. Go to Google AI Studio and log in with your Google account. The URL is https://aistudio.google.com. This is step 2. From the menu on the left, click Generate Media. Step 3. Next, select Gemini Speech Generation. In step 4, select Single Speaker Audio. This switches to a mode for creating a single speaker narration. In step 5, choose the voice that will read your text. Zephyr is a female voice and Puck is a male voice. There are many other voices you can choose from, but at first, I recommend using Zephyr for a female voice or Puck for a male voice. Once you get used to it, try exploring other voices to match the style and mood of your video. This is step 6. Paste your script into the text field and enter emotions or style instructions in Style Instruction to add expression to the voice. In step 7, just click the Run button. This will generate your audio. Step 8. Click the More icon next to the speaker icon at the bottom left and download the audio in WAV format. You can then use the downloaded audio directly in your YouTube videos. I write my scripts in Japanese and translate them into English and Thai using ChatGPT. Then I paste the translated text into Google AI Studio and easily create multilingual narration all by myself. This is an example that I actually translated from Japanese into English and Thai using ChatGPT. The original Japanese text is, こんにちは。今日は今、定期預金はタイの銀行にするべきかというテーマで、各国の金利や為替手数料をわかりやすく比較していきます。Please translate this into English and Thai female tone. もちろんです。こんにちは。今日、定期預金はタイの銀行にすべきかというテーマで、各国の金利や為替手数料をわかりやすく比較していきます。をそれぞれ英語とタイ語の女性口調でお渡しします。Hello. Today I'll talk about whether you should choose a fixed deposit with a Thai bank. I'll clearly compare interest rates and exchange fees in different countries. สวัสดีค่ะ วันนี้จะมาพูดถึงว่าเราควรฝากเงินประจำกับธนาคารในประเทศไทยดีไหม แล้วก็จะเปรียบเทียบดอกเบี้ยและค่าธรรมเนียมแลกเปลี่ยนของแต่ละประเทศให้เข้าใจง่ายๆนะคะ Google AI Studio recognizes whether the text is in Japanese, English, or Thai. That's right. It automatically detects the language from the text and speaks with the correct Japanese, English, or Thai pronunciation. It's amazing. This time, I focused on Google AI Studio's voice generation and explained it clearly in 8 simple steps. Even just using this method is really useful, so please give it a try. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.